CapCut color grading tutorial. First, input your media, then go to adjustment layer, take adjustment layer, insert some value, go to basic, give cinematic look, after around 30, increase saturation around 30, go to SSL and increase this and decrease. Nice. And increase this one also, good. And give this around 50, this one also around 50. Now you are ready. Say your color grade complete. Now you see your footage is ready. Wow, nice. With color, amazing. Without color, very dark. Okay. Say where I have adjustment layer, there is color. Say without adjustment, don't have color, and with adjustment, color. Okay. Very nice. Now you are ready to export your video. If you click here, give your name, then click on export, automatically export your video. It was very shortcut tutorial about color grading on CapCut. If you learned something new in this video, please subscribe the channel. I will upload more shortcut tutorial on this channel. Thank you for watching.